In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image gallery to your Squarespace website. This is a fantastic way to showcase your photos, whether you're a professional photographer or simply looking to add more visual interest to your site. Let's dive right in. Firstly, head over to your Squarespace website editor. This can typically be accessed by logging into Squarespace and selecting your site from the dashboard. Once you're in the website editor, you'll have the full view of your site as well as the editing tools on either side. It's here that we can start making changes to your site's structure and adding new content blocks like an image gallery. Next up, you'll want to click on the button labeled Add Section. You'll notice that this option usually appears between sections of your page. Think of it as adding a new chapter to a book. This step is essentially opening up a new space for you to customize. After clicking Add Section, a menu of options will appear on the left side of your screen. Here, you should look for the section titled Images. Clicking on this will bring up a variety of options specifically tailored for image presentation. Now it's time to choose a design for your image gallery. Squarespace offers a variety of layouts and styles, from simple grids to more complex slideshows. Take your time here. Each design has its unique aesthetic and functionality. Choose the one that best matches your style and click on it to add it to your page. Once your preferred gallery design is in place, click on Edit Gallery. This is where you'll be able to personalize the gallery by adding your own images. Click on Add an Image to start this process. You'll see an interface that allows you to either drag and drop photos or select them from your computer files. Once you've selected your images, click on Upload Images. This will begin the uploading process, which may take some time depending on the size and number of your photos. Once uploaded, your images will appear in the gallery ready to be viewed by visitors. After your images are uploaded, you might want to explore additional customization options by clicking Edit Section. Here you can adjust settings like spacing, overlay, and text options. Take some time to tinker with these settings to get everything looking just right. When you're satisfied with your adjustments, the final step is to click Tabadam. This will ensure that all the changes you made are stored and reflected live on your website. Congratulations! You've successfully added an image gallery to your Squarespace site. This vibrant addition can enhance your site's visual appeal and help convey your unique style or brand aesthetic. Thanks for watching, and have fun customizing your website even further.